my teeth look alright?
You got your camera? Hey guys! Can you put up your window?
Sorry, I'm gonna zoom in on your face.
Can you put your window up? Can you? We are on the way to the
Hi, Tori. Hi, Tori.
No, for real, what?
Josh.
Alright.
Good morning, skies. Well, we don't really have much in Delaware. Just wait till we get to the actual beach. Go, Tori, here you go.
Hi guys. Wait, can I see it real quick, Tori?
Okay, gotcha.
If I just...
Oh, look, there's something out there.
grass?
The water? Yeah, the water.
Oh my God, it's water.
Oh my gosh, there's a view in Delaware. Oh, that's all we have.
Oh my God, I never seen.
Oh my gosh, there's water here too, you hype.
Oh my God, I never seen a farm before.
Oh my God, there's police.
Oh my God, I see police.
Ah!
She's getting drunk.
Oh, it's like almost Firefly too, isn't it?
I don't know.
Oh, we're waving to that.
Yeah, I think you need to do it. So you can see her waving and then do it. Diana, ready?
Oh, what the hell?
Your tag's sticking out. Oh, wait, oh, your shirt back. Oh, never mind.
I got your license plate number. I'm coming for you.
Better wave. I hate Delaware people.
As you're from Delaware.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was told to do this, I don't know.
You gotta like talk with people. Be like,
Oh, that guy didn't look.
So,
we're past
yeah.
your line,
And our arms are locked.
Me and my broken heart. I need a little love tonight.
what about?
Alright. Oh, the lens cap was on. I was trying to record that river, and the lens cap was on.
We're catching lightning in a bottle. Don't even care about tomorrow.
Hashtag duck face.
Oh, sorry, Michael.
Perfectly wasted you. I hold you close because
Yeah, there's boogers. Yeah, there's boogers. I can't sing, guys, so don't
Me
criticize
neither.
me.
And I can sing. Oh, this is gonna be the best day of my life. I finally got it!
You hype?
Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Let's sing them to strangers. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. Here I stand, and here I stand. Let the story Let it go, let it go. Now rise like a break the doors. Let it go, let it go. What? Wait, does it take batteries or does it charge on like a charge? Tanning. Ow, your arm is hot. Because I'm tanning. I know. We're tanning. Hey. Let me try. Oh, hold on. Yeah, the lights are. Yeah. Be careful. Oh.
Diana's finger in a hole.
Oh no. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Diana. Be careful not to get in the sand.
The hell are you? I'm not in the way.
That is a sexy lifeguard. Sexy or not? And then there's Josh.
I'm not a lifeguard.
And then there's Josh.
And then there's Josh, but that's a sexy ass lifeguard. He needs to take his shirt off right now.
I tap that. I'm kidding.
Really?
I'm kidding. I'm not gay.
Hey.
So,
Beach day. Beach coming to an end.
I'm already crispy.
my hair's naughty.
I got burnt on my shoulder.
That tan.
If anybody cared.
Diana's eating her, what number donut is that?
Number 5.
What? Is it
Half
really?
a dozen.
It is.
That's your 5th donut?
Hey,
Half a dozen, 6.
big girl gotta eat.
I didn't say it.
Is it so interesting watching me eat? Like,
Hey Josh.
Nobody wants to look at me. Hi.
Hey Tori.
hey.
I didn't even shave.
Yeah, we can tell.
Tori didn't either. No, I'm just kidding.
I know. I didn't either.
Got that peach fuzz.
Don't zoom in on me.
Look, it's the sky and the beach and the tower and the family. I'm gonna zoom in on the. I'm gonna zoom in on the family. Woo! Hey guy. Hey. Hi. How are you? Oh, that's so nice. Hey.
Hey guys, you're gonna be famous on
Can I
YouTube.
wave?
Don't you want to say
Can I get a
hi?
wave?
Get a wave. You're gonna be on YouTube.
What's your Instagram?
Chasing
Hi. 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 No. You're gonna be on YouTube. Oh. Tori, I'm scared. Tori. Shit. Oh my god. Look at our shirts. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why I do this? Sorry, I don't like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why do we do this way? Oh my god, shit. Oh my god. It's a spider. It's a spider. It's going at me. Totally touched me. Holy shit. Like this. Can we just get out of here? Oh, turn it off. Turn the thing off. Holy shit.
Guess it's true, I'm not good at a one night stand.